Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure your iPhone is settled on wireless charger and then restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, make sure your charging pad and iPhone back will be cleaned. If it doesn't clean, your charging pad will not work properly. After cleaning that, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and scroll down and click on general. You can see the option of software update. Click on it and here you can check your iOS latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it. After updating that, your problem will be fixed. Your wireless charging will be work properly. And if it doesn't fix your problem, then put your phone in DFE mode. For putting your phone in DFE mode, press and hold volume down button and up button and power button, both the button press and hold at the same time. After press and hold at the same time, the Apple logo will be appear on your screen, and after that your iPhone will be put in DFE mode and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.